iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today we have an exciting video. Today's all about this unit is from Amazon, okay? It is a 13x6 lace frontal unit. I did dye it jet black and I styled it in a side part. Very affordable, under 200 bucks for 30 inches. You can't beat that. So I'll be sure to list the Amazon link below. And I received it in next day delivery with my Prime membership. Love it, love it, love it. Also, please be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at iamSimoneC, same as my YouTube channel. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to start by pushing the unit back a little bit, and I'm going to clean my forehead with some alcohol. And dry that down a little bit. I'm going to Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. Again, I'm going to dry that down. So this is the first layer. Time for the second layer. I'm going to tie everything down, and I'm going to let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. While that sets, I'm going to clean my hair with some water. And then we're going to take down the curls and create some layers and fluff out, you know, all of the hair. I just love how full and bouncy this hair is. I'll be sure to list it down below. It is from Amazon. Okay, let's see what this lace is looking like. Wow, that is really melted. So it's really melted, but my baby hairs are really like stuck in place. So I don't know. I hope I'm able to like pull them apart and still, you know, do my little swoops. But that's the only thing, which is good if you want to do like a baby hairless style, like no baby hair. But yeah, these are stuck in place, so let's see if we can do some swoops and on my sideburns too. Taking some Nairobi foaming mousse, and I'm going to try to do my edges with that, see if that will loosen up the spray a little bit. Okay, so the mousse definitely helps to do the trick and loosen the hair up a little bit. And I'm just going to pluck in the front a little bit. Okay, plucking that helped that to look a lot better. So now I'm going to take my Gorilla Snot and create some baby hairs. So this is how the baby hairs are looking. Taking my Sephora powder and a fluffy brush, I'm going to add it to the lace. And then we're also going to add some to the part. Okay, that looks pretty good. Because these knots weren't bleached, you know, this just helps with the illusion of skin and scalp. I'm going to pin the hair up. Ooh, this has been cute as an updo. Okay, honey, I see you. Amazon wig, I see you. Super cute. Tying this down for one final melt. And then we'll be back with the final look. So yes, you all, I think my favorite part of the application was the fact that I applied liquid mousse on top. Usually in my past experience with, doing 101 wig reviews, every time I would add anything type of like liquid, base, the lace would lift right up. The adhesive would slip and it would lift right up. In the case today with the Kiss, the lace did not budge whatsoever. It did not move while swooping my baby hairs with the mousse. So I'm so happy and so pleased about that. Okay, you have no idea. Thank you all so much for watching and for tuning in. All my wig girlies, I hope you all enjoyed it. And as always, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below to get the conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and your family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.